Okay, sorry to be moving around. I'm going to do a follow-up video for you guys. I do have power tubes in here now, and amp is fired up, and I do have at my source right here 26.87 volts negative DC. I have put the tubes in, I've readjusted the bias, I've readjusted my dropping string, so things have changed a little bit. Come back over here, and you can see I'm at negative 25.13. Okay. These power tubes right here, the 6 CM6, are good for 12 watts dissipation times 70%, comes up to 8.4. So at 8.4 watts dissipation, I'm 70% dissipating off these 6 CM6 tubes. I don't know why it's hard for me to say. Getting old, I guess. Anyhow, if I take a look to see what the plate voltage is, because that's going to determine next, because I know that I've got 8.4 watts. I'm going to measure the plate voltage right here on this one. 326.6. So if I take the 8.4 and divide that by 326.6, it comes out to somewhere right around, I want to be 0.025 millivolts, which is actually, because of this, where the hell do I do it? Because of these dropping resistors right here, that corresponds in milliamps to millivolts. They're not dropping resistors, I'm sorry. They're 1 ohm precision 1% resistors that goes from the cathode to ground. You measure right here. So at this point right here, I want to get 20.025. I'm on there, and I'm at 0.026. I'm pretty close. If I take and turn this pot, I'm going to turn it up a little bit like that. Now you can see I jumped up to 0.036. Way too hot. So I'm going to come back down. That's the bottom end of my range. I'm at 22, which is too cold. It'll be 25, 26. Doesn't take much. And there you have it. Okay, well, I've got you guys on here. Thought I would go through get my damn fingers out of the way. Another issue. This particular amp has, and I'm in the trial phase, so I've got a few issues to work out on it. If you listen right here, I'm going to turn all the knobs down to 0, and you can hear a most annoying buzz. Now people would say, okay, it's got a hum, you got bad filter cast, blah, 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 blah. And it's like bullshit. Look, I'm going to reach right over here and grab a shielded wire, and it stopped. See that? Stopped. Okay, that shielded wire right there goes right down here to pin 2. That's my input grid right here. So if I come back over here, that's my first pot, which is the gain pot. Make sure I don't shock myself here. If I move this around, generally a little bit, let me get another stick. You can hear the noise diminish. That's an unshielded wire that's coming right off of, this is pin 1. Here's your 120K plate. Normally 100K. On this particular build, it's 120K. Going through your .022 coupling cap right here. And going from here up to the gain pot right there. So I'm picking up noise through this shit right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this video. I'm going to change this wire out to shielded cable. See if that goes away.